Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you some useful tools from Google Sheet that you can use to present your data. So this is your data set for your company that has your employee names, start date, department, monthly salary, yearly salary. So now maybe you are interested to present your data to your company with the names and these two salaries. So how you do that? You just need this three column, right? So you select this column, press the control key, and then select this two column. And now this three column has been selected. Now you go and insert and press chart. So Google Sheet will make you an automatic chart that is showing employee names and their monthly salary in blue and yearly salary in red. So you can change here your chart type using any one. So maybe you can change it to the bar. So here there are more options you can use to style it up. You just have to go here, and here you can see chart style. The background color you can choose to be orange or any color you wish to. Now you see the background color is being changed. Chart and access title. So if you start writing a title, let's say we write chart title, and you see the chart title appears on top of your presentation. And here are some of the options you can see, and you can choose and you can start changing them and you'll get an idea. Legend, if you go here and you can see the legends are auto, but you can choose from maybe on the right side. Now you can see this has appeared on the right side. You can choose to be inside. Now you can see it's inside. So there are some of the options you can actually tweak around, and you will be able to see that there are many ways you can present your data. And finally, this one you can keep on top of your data set, or you can keep it aside. So whoever comes see the main data and also see the chart. So it's easy for you to present, and also it's easy for them to see. So another useful tool we can use is column stat. To know more about any column, so let's say we'd like to know more about D column. We select D column and go here in the tool in the data, and here we choose column stat, and you can see that Google Sheet has created some statistics for us. So this amount 2,500 is frequently came in the data set. It is 12 times, and this one is 4 times. This one's only 1 time. And monthly salary is just 1 time. And it also counts total rows, empty cells, unique values, sum, and you see the sum is 39,700, and it also tells you the average of all those numbers and some maximum minimum values and also medians. So this is a fast way to know a little bit of information about any column. Now I'm showing you how you can do open-ended calculation. So I start doing the calculation and you will get the idea. Let's say I would like to sum up all the monthly salaries. So how do we do that? We give an equal sign and we bring the sum function and then parenthesis. And now you are giving the range that it is going to sum up. So we give this range, and then we enter, and immediately we get the summation here. That is summing up from this D2 to until D18. But let's say this is a big company, and these are not only the employees, or maybe we'll have more employees coming in the future. So there will be another row here with a new employee and with a new salary, and this one I would like when it will be summing up, it will also take this D19. So just we're putting a value here in D19, let's say 2600. And we'd like this 2600 to be added also here. So how can we do that? This is open-ended calculations. We will just take this 18 away. And now you see it has taken all the data for D column. And if we just press here, now this number also includes this 2600. Okay. So this is how now if we have another employee coming in the future in our company, let's say she will get $2,700 per month. Now we see this also took that amount as well. And we just choose and keep $sign and reducing this decimal number. So it is actually looking the same. So now whatever the number comes here, it will be added in the total. So how we do that? We just take the range away and we told the Google Sheet that you take all the value in D column coming up starting from D2 until it ends. So now I'm going to show you another cool feature. For any cell, you can write a date from a calendar. So we're going to insert calendar for this cell, or let's say we'd like to insert calendar for this range under H. And how do we do that? We go in the tools, data, and then here you see data validation. Go here and here choose list from a range, give a date, and then date is valid date and reject input. So if it's not a date, it will ask you to put right input here and then save. Now if you just press here, you see there is a calendar appeared. For each of them there is a calendar. So now you, instead of writing, you can choose the date from here. Isn't it cool? So this is your company's salary sheet for each of the employees. Now let's say you'd like to know whom you have given the salary to, and for that one you need a checkbox, so that every time there is a check, that means that salary has been given. How do you do that? You just come here and insert one left, okay, and you want a checkbox from this one until here. So insert the checkbox, and now you can write a salary given. So whenever you have sent the salary to anyone's account, you can come here and write a tick mark. So if you have tick mark here, that means Jacob and Nadia got their salary. So if you are distributing the salary to them, you can end up ticking, and let's say you have tick mark until here, then you can understand, okay, fine, these are the people that didn't get the salaries. Thank you very much for watching.